Hello everybody, Kristi B coming back at you. Today I'm going to do blues and greens, and I'm going to layer a cup. This is Sap Green by Amsterdam. Can you see it? Sap Green. This is Deep Laguna Shimmer by Porridge Posse. This is Definite Question Mark. So is this one. And I think this one is too. This is the Deco Art Emerald Green. Very beautiful color. Very, very beautiful. And we have Manganese Blue. Manganese Blue. We have Grumbacher's Ultramarine Blue. And we've got 24K Gold. So let's start this cup and get this party started. I think I'm going to start with the Prism Pour Corsicola. Yeah, whatever I just said. And we'll go with the darker of the two blues. I thought I had a phthalo blue out here. Then we'll go with Sap Green by Amsterdam. Then we'll go with this one. I think we'll put a little gold in there. No. Let's just try this green. Do this turquoise. It's not really a turquoise. I don't know what it is. It's like a grass green. I think I'm needing some blue between my layers here. Whatever this is, could be a primary element because it really does sparkle. That'll work. It's about the same color. I'll get rid of this one. Now I've got a whole bunch of plastics to wash after all these videos. Let's see, let's do this gorgeous emerald by Deco Art Matte Metallics. And then finish it off a little gold, so it'll make some gold cells up through all of it. That was almost a dirty pour. Alright. No! Oh my goodness gracious. I've got to change tables. Alright. I think we should give it a stir. There you go. Alright. Let us do this. Oh, that's a lot of gold. Okay, my arm's getting tired. Start over. There, I'm getting more color. Mess that up a little. That's okay, we're gonna wreck it. My level is lying to me today. I am not liking it at all. Okay, I don't like fighting gravity. I'm gonna wreck it. I think that's one I use silicone on. I don't want to use it. New skewer. And now we're running over here. Looking pretty cool. Except for that I'm already losing paint off the edge. Like they say, don't sweat the small stuff. Alright. I say alright and I keep going. Alright, I think we're gonna take this one down to the spinner and spin it out. Alright guys, we're down at the spinner. Let's see what we can get. That was a big sheet of paint. Not what I expected, but still cool. Sometimes I just expect too much. One more time. We'll get green cells in there. Alright, next time you see it, be down for a close-up. Here's my wrecked ring pour. Got some cool green cells going on in the blue. Got sparkle throughout. Definitely cool looking. Wish I could have kept it all, but that's part of paint pouring. So if you like it, hit all them buttons, especially that subscribe one, and leave me a comment. Bye.